Hi, I'm Amalie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over hotkeys or shortcuts. So I'm going to be honest, I actually don't use them, but I wanted to at least show you guys where to get them if you do prefer to use them. So down in the left-hand corner, you're going to go to the little circles here. You can go to My Settings, and then you're going to scroll down, and then you'll want the hotkeys turned on, and then if you click on the hyperlink, it's going to take you to a document that'll go through each of the hotkeys, like what you can use. And then if you click on the URLs, like it'll take you to more descriptions of what each of these things are. For me, like I said, I don't use these myself, but I wanted to at least show you where to find them. And then there is a note up here, if you're using a Windows computer, you'll replace the command with control. So depending on what kind of computer you have, then that'll tell you what you need to use. And so there's also dock shortcuts. So if you're in the docs area and want to do certain things, you can do those. And obviously this is for a Mac, but again, they have the Windows shortcuts as well. So that is hotkeys and how you can use them. It makes people's lives easier. I personally don't use them. I've never really, I don't know, I just never really use them. But anyway, so I hope that was helpful. Again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to catch our future videos. We're going to start rolling out some tutorials with real life examples using and applying all these features that I've been going over. If you're looking for one-on-one support, there is a link below where you can book a free call. We can connect and see if I can support you. And again, thank you so much for watching.